Hello grade 2, welcome back to grade 2A and B in your science subject unit 6, what changes earth. Today we will study about weathering. What is weathering? Weathering happens when wind and water break down rocks. Now I want you to listen carefully to every single word. Have you heard about the changes on Earth's surface? This is true with Earth's surface. Earth's surface is always changing because of different types of natural events. Today we will see examples. The vocabulary words in our lesson are earthquake, volcano, flood, weathering, erosion, and drought. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a shaking of Earth's surface that can cause land to rise up and down. When the ground shakes, it can cause buildings and houses to fall down. It can also cause mudslides and landscapes. Look how the land is rising up and down. Look at the shaking of Earth's surface. Another example now. A volcano. What is a volcano? A volcano is a place where hot melted rocks comes out of the ground into Earth's surface. A volcanic eruption can cover parts of Earth's surface with lava and ash. When lava cools, these melted rocks become solid rocks. The melted rock becomes solid rock. Look at the red substance here. This red substance is called lava. It's red because it's very hot. Now, another example of changes on Earth's surface is a flood. What is a flood? A flood is a kind of change that happens when streams, rivers, or lakes get too full. The water flows in faster than it can flow out. Because the water has no place to go, it begins to cover the land. As water covers the land, the water can wash away soil. It carries the soil. The water can also fill homes and buildings with water. What is erosion? Weathering. Weathering can cause rocks or land to wear down. Weathering is a kind of change that happens when wind and water break down rock into smaller pieces. Weathering causes rocks or land to wear down. After the rocks break down, they can become part of the soil. Sometimes the weathered rocks and soil wash away. Erosion. Erosion is a kind of change that happens when wind and water move rocks and soil. By moving rocks and soil. Wind, ice, and water can cause erosion. A drought. What is a drought? A drought is a long time when there is a very little rain. Earth's surface becomes dry and the soil can become hard. Plants may die from lack of water. There is not enough water for the plants. They also can die because it's hard to grow roots in the hard, dry soil. After a drought, it may take a long time for new plants to grow. Now please, on your books, read page 230 to 231. See you as soon as possible.